Hello and welcome to Techie Druid. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Microsoft Office on your Mac completely for free without using any product key or paid subscription. This method is official and works smoothly on any Mac, whether it's Intel or Apple Silicon. If you have been searching for a safe way to access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office tools without buying a Microsoft 365 subscription, then this video is for you. So let's get started. To begin, the only thing you need is Microsoft account. This account will allow you to access all the Office applications without needing a product key or subscription. Just open any browser on your Mac and go to office.com. Click Sign In. If you already use Outlook, Hotmail, Xbox or Skype, then you already have a Microsoft account. You can use that to sign in. If you don't have one, just click Create One and enter your email and phone number to create a Microsoft account. Once your account is created, go back to office.com and sign in with your new Microsoft account. After signing in, you will be taken to the Microsoft 365 homepage. Here, you will see a dashboard with app icons like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook and more. You can start using all these Office apps directly in your browser for free. You do not need to install them on your Mac. Everything runs in the cloud. Just click on the app you want. For example, click Word to launch the Word application. Once the app opens, click on Create a blank document to start writing. The interface is very similar to the desktop version. You can type, format text, insert tables, images, and more. The same goes for Excel and PowerPoint. All the basic tools you need are available and everything works smoothly inside the browser. You can create spreadsheets, apply formulas, design slides and use templates. All your documents are saved automatically to OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage service. You get 5 GB of free cloud storage with your Microsoft account. If you ever want to save your file to your Mac, you can go to File, then Export and click Download as PDF. It will be downloaded to your local drive. If you want quicker access to Microsoft Office apps without visiting office.com every time, you can install them as standalone app shortcuts on your Mac. This allows you to open Word, Excel and PowerPoint directly from your dock or Launchpad, just like regular Mac applications. To set this up, you must use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser. Safari does not support this feature. So, from the home page, click on Word to open it in a new tab. When the Word app opens, click on the 3 dots menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From the options, select Cast, Save and Share. Then click Install Pages app. In the pop-up window, name it Word. Click Install. The Word app will now open in a separate window, giving it an app-like experience. You can close it for now. Follow the same process for Excel and PowerPoint to install their shortcuts as well. You now have Word, Excel, and PowerPoint installed as individual apps on your Mac. By default, these apps are stored in a hidden Chrome Apps folder on your Mac. Do not close this Finder window. We'll now replace the app icons with the original Word, Excel, and PowerPoint icons to make them look better. First, open a new Finder window. I have already downloaded the official Word, Excel, and PowerPoint icons as PNG files from Google. We'll use these icons to replace the default ones. Let's begin by changing the icon for Word. Open the Word icon in the Preview app. Press Command+A to select the image. Then press Command+C to copy it. Now, go to the Chrome Apps folder. Right-click on the Word shortcut and choose Get Info. In the Get Info window, click on the small icon in the top left corner. Press Command plus V to paste the copied icon. The new icon will appear instantly. Repeat the same steps to change the icons for Excel and PowerPoint. Once all three icons are updated, close all windows and open your Launchpad. You should now see Word, Excel, and PowerPoint listed here with their original icons. You can open them directly from Launchpad, just like regular Mac apps. Even though these are web apps, they'll feel like real Mac applications. You can also pin the app shortcuts to your dock. If you ever want to uninstall these shortcuts from your Mac, you can do it easily through Google Chrome. Open Chrome. In the address bar, type chrome://apps and press enter. This will show you a list of all the web apps you have installed. Right-click on the app you want to remove, for example Word, and choose Uninstall. The shortcut will be removed from your Launchpad and dock. You can follow the same steps to uninstall Excel and PowerPoint as well.